Keyence is plus 9.36% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is July 30th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Keyence, a major global company. Keyence is up 9.36% to 77,590 yen in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between 75,920 yen and 81,890 yen. The long-term fundamentals for Keyence revolve around earnings, macro conditions, and sector trends. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Keyence, TSE 6861. Stock asks whether profit strength justifies premium valuation, Simplewald ST. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that oil prices rise after US bloc's surprise attack from Iran. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street closes down sharply after Fed holds rates unchanged. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as investors await tech earnings. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 8.28% to $58.60. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Rocket Lab and EchoStar, the public stocks with real space exposure, TKR.com. Government launch contracts with the US DoD provide baseline revenue visibility. The Electron rocket utilization rate is the near-term earnings driver. Any contract win announcement or NASA mission assignment would be a meaningful positive catalyst. Neutron program milestones are the re-rating event the market is waiting for. Toyota surged plus 7.18% to 3,224 yen in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that BYD takes on Toyota, Honda, and Nissan on their home turf with all-electric K-car Racco, KNEV Post. China JV profitability is under pressure from domestic EV competition. Watch for any volume data from BYD and NIO as a proxy for Toyota's China market share trajectory. Japan domestic pricing power remains strong. Hindustan Unilever plunged minus 6.99% to 2,022.70 Indian rupees in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Hull focuses on volume-led growth, absorbs half of input inflation to protect consumers, CEO IndiaGazette.com. The technical picture for Hindustan Unilever has deteriorated. The 1,901.34 Indian rupees level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. Here is our analytical view on Keyence from here. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Keyence, TSE 6861. Stock asks whether profit strength justifies premium valuation, Simplewald ST. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Keyence sits around 82,245 yen. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view. Always do your own research. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Thousands of investors rely on our daily briefings to cut through the noise. If you are finding value here, please like this video and subscribe. It directly helps us keep producing this content every day. Leave a comment with your market view. We feature the sharpest takes in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is our spotlight on Keyence from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.